Hello trader, this is an update on our previous trade that we have opened during the live session on euro dollar. So we can see that the market is currently trending as expected to the downside. We see that with the market open, we expected from here, we can see there was a gap open and the bulls tried to break the high, but they failed to do that. If you guys look at it, you can see there is a lower high formation and the market had a complete breakdown. So let's see now again from the multi-time frame perspective where the market might be heading. And also I'll be giving a full update on this trade, what we can do in the upcoming session. So looking at monthly again on Euro USD, we can see that basically there was a huge breakdown on the monthly from this resistance line on Euro dollar. And with that breakdown, the price has come back to this support level. And we can see the price after coming back to that support, we can see series of higher low formation on the monthly, and the price is approaching this low, which is an important support level. And if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that today is the first day of trading week. The market opened with a gap, created a lower high, and then had a complete break below. So there is a week here on the weekly. We might see that now week fill. I expected, you guys have seen the weekly forex forecast, I expected for the market to go up further, but we see that basically the trend is still very aggressive here, and we might see now potential retest of the weekly support or the week fill. So let's see the lower time frame how the market might be doing. Now this is the daily candle where there was a green candle formation. This was a rejection, and as from the daily, almost every day except this zone here, we saw that series of lower high formation, followed by last day of trading week, this daily candle also was maintaining that series of lower high. And today, once the market managed to bounce above this daily resistance level and maintaining this, there is a gap here. If you guys look at it, you can see, and the price basically rejected from that gap in between this daily high and this daily high. The price crossed that and then got a rejection, and with that rejection we can see the market basically now trending in that direction. So we what I think that as it failed to create a new higher high, the long term trend is down. There is a huge volume in this market every single day. What was there was a lot of order here, so we might see a pressure in this market, and it may lead this price coming back to the daily support here. Now from the 4-hour time frame, this is where pardon me guys, this is where I call for this trade on the 4-hour time frame. This candle was quite significant. We saw that there was a doji and the market has crossed that high. This is the primary reason that I call for the trade on 4-hour, which basically running currently risk free. We have moved the stop loss at entry. Now, lower time frame price action is still showing bearish. From the 1 hour, we can see that head and shoulder formation clearly visible. So, as the market managed to break from that head and shoulder, this is the order block here where the market bounced, and I think this is where our TP target set at 1.0837. I think the price will try to gain momentum from below this 1.0833 level, as below this level also there is a high liquidity. So at the moment is still bearish. I would prefer to add position if we find lower time frame price action. We saw that there was 15 minutes doji here, which is also strong liquidity grab. As long as the market is grabbing liquidity along the way, we see two important candle formation, which in fact we saw this liquidity flow here, and that has played out aggressively. The reason I didn't add because we were running position, it's almost nearly to our entry. According to our indicator, that's where I see that there is a potential drop, and currently expecting for the market to drop. So along the way, if we see another opportunity, I would prefer to add position for this potential move towards the downside on euro dollar if the market break below. And if we see that it has shown another opportunity to the upside, we will be looking for going long. But at the moment, preference is to sell as soon as we will find another opportunity. I'll keep you updated, guys, in the in later session. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.